Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi Note 8 from 2021, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down the notification panel from the right side, upper right side, like so, and this will give you all your toggles, and when you expand it you should find in here somewhere hotspot. Looks like it's right at the bottom, right over here. So once you locate it, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it functions in a way. So let's select right here, set up portable hotspot, and start off by checking out the password. I do recommend you to remove this one because, as you can see, it is just some randomly generated trash. Not the easiest thing to remember. So we can just remove it and set our own. It needs to have at least 8 characters in length, at which point you will be able to save it. Now above that we have our network or Wi-Fi name. You can change it if you want to, but as you can see it's fairly easy to remember. It's just the name of the device. Then below that we have the AP band, and we have also hide SSID and security. Security, I would recommend you to keep it as it is. You can turn it off, but then anybody can connect to your hotspot. Thus anybody can use your mobile network. Hide SSID, I also wouldn't recommend turning that on because then you'll need to go to Wi-Fi settings and add the Wi-Fi manually by providing all the info about it. So the only thing that you can change is the AP band right here. So we have 2.4 and 5 gigahertz. 5 gigahertz is a better option, but not every device will support it. Older devices don't have support for it. It's a newer technology. So if you select 5 gigahertz and whatever the device you're trying to connect to it just simply doesn't see your hotspot that you have turned on, that means that the device simply doesn't support 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. And all you need to do is drop it back to 2.4 and everything should work just fine. But in general, I do recommend sticking with the better one because it's a faster and more stable connection. Anyway, from here let's select the checkbox to save our settings, and now all we need to do is enable our hotspot by tapping on it. I'm not exactly sure if it's enabled right now. The color scheme is kinda... Okay, so it was enabled. On the camera I can't really see any difference in the color. It would normally be blue, but because I have literal blue background behind and these are semi-transparent, and I can't really define on the camera if it's on or off, but looking at the phone directly it looks like it's on. Additionally, you can also hold it and see that it is toggled on right up here, portable hotspot, and it's turned on. So anyway, that is how you would turn it on. And obviously turning it off, you do the same thing, just tap on it again and it's now off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.